All right, I'm going to go ahead and factor another one with 3 terms. Notice this one, though, is a little different than our first one because we have a higher exponent, so it's raised to the 4th power, and then in the middle it's raised to the 2nd power. Now, the same method we did before works as long as this highest exponent is 2 times bigger than the smallest exponent, and it is. Okay, so first things first, you always look for a greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. So each one of these, once again, is just divisible by 1. In later videos, I'll show what happens when there's a greatest common factor. So if it's just 1, we don't do anything. We go ahead and just multiply our first number by our last number, like we did before. So we have 36. 4 times 9 is 36. So I'm going to go ahead and list all the factors of 36. So we have 1 and 36. 2 times 18 gives you 36. 3 times 12 gives you 36. 4 times 9 gives you 36. Now 5, you can try, but if you divide 36 by 5, it gives you a decimal, so that doesn't work. Then we have 6. 6 times 6 gives me 36. And I know once I've repeated a number like that, I know I'm at the end. Okay. Now remember, since this is a positive 36, that means our signs are going to be the same. Okay. Signs are the same. So that means they both have to be positive or both need to be negative. In the end, we need both of the factors to add up to a negative 12. So for that reason, that means all of our numbers need to be negative. Okay. So if you go through the list, the only 2 numbers or 2 factors that would add up to negative 12 would be the negative 6 and the negative 6. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to rewrite my expression, but I'm going to split up the negative 12x squared to be negative 6x squared minus 6x squared. So notice I keep the exponent on both of them. So it stays to the 2nd power like the original problem. And then we still have the plus 9 at the end. So if I combine like terms, I'd get back to my original problem. Okay, once again, I'm going to split this on up once we get to this point and find your greatest common factor. 4x to the 4th and negative 6x squared have a common factor of 2x squared, the greatest common factor of 2x squared. And then I'll factor out or divide each one of them by 2x squared. So we have 2x squared minus 3. It's negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. And then I'd look at my next terms. Now, since this first term is negative in the pair, I'm going to have a negative number come out. And they're both divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide both of them by negative 3. So negative 6 divided by negative 3 is a positive 2. So this is 2x squared. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So notice we have 2x squared minus 2x squared, or 2x squared minus 3 in both of them. Since they're the same, we know we did it correctly. So I'd factor out that 2x squared minus 3. And then we'd have our 2x squared minus 3 left over on the outside. And we'd have it factored. You could also write this as 2x squared minus 3 squared, since there are 2 of them.